In this video, I'm going to show you some simple WordPress SEO for beginners. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. We're over here on the All-in-One SEO blog on the companion blog post to this video, SEO for Beginners, a simple WordPress guide. The thrust of SEO is the focus key phrase. You can set a focus key phrase for your homepage. This is the target key phrase for your business or organization or blog. And you can also set an SEO key phrase for every single piece of content on your website. So the SEO key phrase is crucial to your SEO. Without setting an SEO key phrase, your SEO efforts are going to be kind of scattered and all over the place. Today, I'm going to show you how to set the SEO key phrase, the focus key phrase for your content. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the Post section. And you can set a focus key phrase for any post or any page on your website. So I'm going to open up this post called SEO Conference. It's a fictitious post about an upcoming SEO conference. But I know that this post in particular does not have a focus key phrase set, so this is a good example for our video. So over in the top right-hand corner, I click on the All-in-One SEO icon/button, and we're going to click on General. And then if I scroll down, there's a section here called Focus Key Phrase. I'm going to expand that, and I can see that I do not have a focus key phrase set. So this really should be step one to your SEO efforts, looking at the content of your page or post, deciding what is the best focus key phrase that you want to target for that page or post. This can even be the step that occurs before you write your page or post. You can come up with your keyword first and then write content around that keyword. But in this case, we have this post about an SEO conference, diverse speaker lineup, cutting-edge workshops and seminars. I think I'm going to keep it simple and just target SEO conference. So after I've typed in my focus key phrase, I'm going to click the button Add Focus Key Phrase. Congratulations, you've added your focus key phrase. Now you have a goal to strive after for the SEO of this piece of content. You may have noticed there's another button that says Get Additional Key Phrases. We've partnered with SEMrush. You can click that button and it will suggest a ton of additional key phrases you could add to this content. But since this is an SEO for Beginners video, we're going to keep things simple and just use the one focus key phrase, SEO Conference. So as you can see, we're doing really well on this focus key phrase, scoring 90 out of 100. It's in the title, it's in the meta description, the length is good, it's in the URL, it's in the introduction. The only thing we're not doing great on is we don't have the focus key phrase in subheadings. So if I wanted to continue down the path of really optimizing the SEO of this page. Now that we have a focus key phrase set, I would try to incorporate SEO conference into some of these subheadings. Maybe change this to say, discover the future of SEO at this SEO conference. So now that we've got our focus key phrase set, the next thing we're going to do, our next big beginner SEO step, is to edit our snippet preview. The snippet preview is a preview of how your listing, your content, will appear in the search result pages for major search engines like Google. So if I scroll up in the sidebar here, I see our snippet preview. So this is saying Matt, SEO conference, little divider here, and a smiley face. And then it looks like it's just grabbing content from my first paragraph. So to me, this needs a lot of work. If someone is searching for SEO conference, this is not very appealing. I don't think I'm going to click on that. But what we can do is change this by clicking on the Edit Snippet button. So here's a snippet preview of how it would look on desktop or a laptop computer. If I click the little phone icon here, we can get an idea of how it would appear on a mobile device. I'm going to leave it on desktop for now. And below that, we can see how our post title is constructed. So it is using the author first name. That's why we're seeing Matt here. The post title, a separator, and then this little emoji smiley face. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to get rid of the author name. That's not helping us at all. So I'm going to remove that smart tag. Now it says SEO conference, little bar, and the smiley face. You can use any of these smart tags to construct your SEO title. So if you click on the link that says View All Tags, you can see that we have a ton of options available. And these are, like the name suggests, smart tags. So if I put in the post date, it will use the post date for this particular piece of content. If I set a default in All-in-One SEO to use the post date, it will use the post date automatically. It is a smart tag for every piece of content. So if I had a piece of content written on December 12th, that would show as the post date, and another piece of content was written on September 9th, then that would show up as the post date. So as the name implies, they are smart tags. I like SEO conference. I like the separator. I don't think this emoji makes a whole lot of sense, so let's get rid of the emoji. You can also type in custom text here. So I'm going to type in SEO conference, Boston 2023. So that gets real specific. So people know it's an SEO conference, they know where it is, and they have a rough idea of when it is. I think that's a good SEO title for our snippet. Below that, we have the meta description. So this is using a post excerpt, the separator, and the category title. And it is way too long, 3,000 characters out of 160 recommended. I would bet anything we don't have a post excerpt set. So by default, it's grabbing the entire content of the post and using that as a post excerpt. So why don't we wipe that out? I'm going to close this window for now, and I'm just going to go back here and say, let's pretend that this paragraph right here, the first couple of sentences, was a great summary of what our SEO conference was all about. I'm just going to copy that, Control-C on a Windows machine, Command-C on a Mac. I'm going to go back into Edit Snippet. I'm going to drop that phrase in there. One of the key highlights of the SEO Conference 2023 is its impressive lineup of speakers. Get rid of 2023. We already have that in the date. And I'm going to add, check out all of the featured speakers on this page. So maybe that'll tease people into clicking through and learning more about the SEO conference. And when you're done, click the X to close out of that modal. And don't forget to click the blue update button to save your content. So now you've taken 2 huge steps forward in your SEO journey. You've learned to set a focus key phrase, and you've optimized your SEO listing snippet. Let's take one more step forward today and add some links to this content. So in the sidebar on the left here, we're in the General tab. If I scroll down and get to the Basic SEO section, you can see I have 2 errors. So let's open up this section. And we can see that there are no internal links and no external links. You don't have to add external links to your content, but if it's helpful to the user, if you're speaking about something and you know there's a good resource online for it, you could link out to that content. It's a really good idea. You definitely want to add some internal links because that is a ranking factor. So I know that I have another piece of content on this website about the top 5 SEO plugins. If I scroll down here, we have this phrase about the fundamentals of SEO. I want to link that over to my own content about the top 5 SEO plugins. So I'm going to highlight that text, click to add a link. I have this post, what are the top 5 best SEO plugins? So I'm going to go ahead and add that link. I do want to add one external link, so I'm just going to grab any one of these random pieces of text that says SEO, this one, and I have this Wikipedia page on search engine optimization. I've already copied the link out to that page, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the link icon, copy that link in, and I am going to say open in a new tab because I don't want people to get lost and forget to come back to my website if they should visit that link. And once I've added that, we can see that now we're okay for external links. Again, don't forget to click the big blue update button to save your changes. I'll drop a link into the companion blog post on our website, allinoneseo.com. If you check that blog post out, you can find a couple of more steps that you can take. So those are some simple WordPress SEO steps you can take as an SEO beginner. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this video right here, I'll show you how to perform SEO on a brand new website. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.